Hey guys, VA Junkie here, and I'm standing in my empty garage. So as you can see from these marks right here, I had a little trans leak that I had to get sorted out. That's finally done. Took about a month, but that's why I haven't posted any content lately. And we're gonna have to give it a full detail when we get it back. I mentioned in one of my previous videos, I want to take the car to Auto Club Speedway, and one of the conditions was you cannot have any leaks on the car. So I had to get my my transmission leak sorted out. So we did that, and then the other requirement is you must have a tow point. As soon as we get the car back and get it all cleaned up and everything, we're going to be installing this bad boy on the front tow hook. Comes out the front of the grill, which I'm not too crazy about. So, but we'll make it look nice. We'll make it look like it should have been there from the start. So, yeah. So that's what we got planned. Let's do it. So you see the fender. See this front quarter panel here? See how badly it's marred up and everything. Paint imperfections. We just polished the hood. Look at the hood. So that's just with one pass, real quick. The fender and the hood. Okay guys, remember the before of the fender? Look at it now. Nice and clear. And you can see it matches the hood nicely. All right, guys, so that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Next video, we'll be installing the tow hook. Just wanted to get the car quickly buffed out. Looking good again. I think we accomplished that. So if you like this video, go ahead, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Visit www.v8junkie.com. Get your merchandise. And until next time, guys, this is V8 Junkie.